Today, I've got a question that is why there is so much pain in our life. We see pain to be something wrong, something very dangerous. We find that pain brings some wrong results, and we are so much afraid of it. But if we see the truth behind it, the game is something else. Look, until we find pain or grief in our life, do we really become alert? Is the pain not like a master? He is teaching us, he is guiding us to a certain goal. Until we find pain, can we become really so much authentic? And if we go on living in pleasures and enjoyment, then can we be sure that life will be okay? And can we give any example that there was any person who lived this life all the time with enjoyment? Even our deities or lords like Lord Shiva or Krishna and others, they also faced grief or struggles in their lives. So then how can we raise a question on grief? We see in this world so many accidents take place, and so many crimes are also taking place, and in different forms we face this evil, grief. I'm calling it evil, but I don't really find it to be evil, because this is the only grief or the pain which really guides you. It gives you guidance to go on the right path. To commit mistake once is good, and second time you should get some message from it. Then stop doing or repeating the same mistakes again and again. It is good if you get education from it, and then it is quite clear that you will be guided for your betterment, isn't it so? So this is our vision. This is just our way of thinking that why is so much pain in our lives? Because we are seeing it to be something wrong. We should not see the things like that. And I understand the problem. As much the deeper our consciousness is, as we can see this world. So if we want to see this world with a broader vision, then definitely we shall have to be deep. And we can be deep only through meditation. So let us do something else about thinking. We should not try to estimate the things only through our mind. Mind never gets us to any conclusion. Remember, conclusion always comes out of the mind. There are so many things, not only grief, so many other things or emotions which we hate, but that is our mistake. Whatever the emotion is created into us, it has a cause behind it. And whatever gets creation in this universe, it has something to do with us. It cannot be useless. If it is really useless, then how could it have been created? But it is created. So there must be definitely a cause. So the mistake is in our understanding or in our estimating the things or these emotions. So it is better to bring a change in our way of seeing the things. So stop criticizing the pain. In fact, be thankful to the pain. Yes, this is the pain or the grief in your life which is guiding you towards your betterment of the life. You are getting closer and closer to your complete evolution, what I call the final liberation. You have to be educated from all the things which are happening to you in place of being disturbed by them. So in my vision, pain is nothing but a guide. Yes, and it also gives us an information whether on which track we should go. If we do something wrong, definitely, then grief takes place. Then we should try to understand that something is going wrong and we should change track and the things will be fine. Nothing is wrong with this universe, but if something is wrong, that is with us or with our thinking. So the change should be into us, not the world.